hard for you to solve quadratic formula? Here we go!
Quadratic formula. Ow! What?
Gosh!
It's so confusing.
Hello there! This is the quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Let's give it a try. For example, x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0, where a is equal to 1 because x is considered as 1, where b is equal to 5, this, and c is equal to 6, this. Let's start. X is equal to negative 5 plus minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times 6 all over 2 times 1.
X is equal to negative 5 plus minus the square root of 25 minus 24 all over 2. 25 because 5 squared means 5 times 5 equals to 25. Negative 4 times 1 is equals to negative 4. Negative 4 times 6 is equals to negative 24. 2 times 1 is equals to 2. Next is x is equal to negative 5 plus minus the square root of 1 over 2. Positive 1 because 25 minus 24 is positive 1.
Our x is equal to negative 5 plus 1 over 2. And the answer is negative 4 over 2. Why negative 4? Because negative 5 plus 1 is equal to negative 4. Our x is equal to negative 2. It is because negative 4 divided by 2 is equal to negative 2. Remember that in division, if your divisor and dividend have different signs, the answer will always be negative. And same with multiplication. Let's go here. Our x is equal to negative 5 minus 1 over 2. And the answer is negative 6 over 2. Why negative 6? Because negative 5 minus 1 is equal to negative 6 because they have same negative signs. And our x is equal to negative 3 because negative 6 divided by 2 is equal to negative 3. And the root of the quadratic equation x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 are negative 2 and negative 3. Did you get it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me test you by giving exercises. For number 1, x squared plus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. And for number 2, x squared minus 4x plus 5 equals to 0. And lastly, for number 3, 3x squared plus 1 half x minus 1/4 equals to 0. I will give you 5 minutes to solve it all. Good luck! This is the solution and the answer for number 1. subtract fraction. For this case, we have 1/4 plus 12 over 4. If you have the same denominator, you simply add the numerator. 1 and 12. So your answer will be 13 over 4. Remain or don't change the denominator because it's the same. If you want to have a mixed form, you can simply divide your numerator and denominator. So you come up with this. 3 and 1 4. And how to add.
Kata mo na?
How to add fractions with different denominators. First, let's get the least common denominator of 2 and 4, which is 4. Here. And let's divide. And if we have our new denominator, let's divide it with the original denominator. Let's go first with 1/2. So its original denominator is 2. So 4 divided by 2. Let's multiply it by the numerator, which is 1. On the other side, let's divide the original denominator 4 by the numerator, by the new denominator 4. 4 divided by 4, again, multiply it by the numerator, which is 12. Divided by 2 is equal to 2 times 1 over here. And 4 divided by 4 equals 1 times 12. Let's multiply it. 2 times 1 is equals 2. And 1 times 12 is equals 12. Over 4. Let's add it. 2 plus 12 is equals 14. And the denominator is 4. If you want to simplify it, simply divide it by its greatest common factor, 2. So, 14 divided by 2 equals 7, and 4 divided by 2 equals 2. For more information, questions, and examples, just contact us and we will help you out there. 0916-40-655-76. Is it now easy for you to solve quadratic formula? Well, I hope you enjoy it. Until next time,
And we are the
Math Wizards!